Summer is here, and that means one thing and one thing only. S'mores everything. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Check out this s'mores fudge bar. It's basically 4 layers of amazingness with a graham cracker crust, fudge brownies, Dandy's marshmallows, and then dripping with luscious ganache icing. First, you will make the easy graham cracker crust, which is just melted vegan butter and graham crackers into a food processor. Press that into a pan, and I'm using a loaf pan here, but you can totally double all the ingredients to make this and then press it into a larger 8-inch by 8-inch pan instead. I think you will be happy that you did because trust me, everyone will want some more. See what I did there? Alright, now that you have done the crust part, you will make the brownie layer, and that is vegan butter, molasses, sugar, cocoa powder, and chocolate. Yes, this is the best brownie you will ever try. Coffee brings out the best in chocolate, and you will never taste the coffee flavor, believe me. Then there's the dry ingredients, and more chocolate chips are optional. Bring that vegan butter and the molasses to a boil and then add the cocoa powder to unlock its superpowers, then the chocolate to melt, and then you'll add the coffee and then just whisk everything smooth. Now transfer it all to a large mixing bowl, add the sugar, and then all the sifted dry ingredients. Again, the chocolate chips are optional. If you're using them, put them in last. Then pour that into your loaf pan that is lined with parchment paper and lightly greased. Bake it for about 25 minutes, or when a toothpick inserted comes out with moist crumbs and not raw batter. Turn the oven off and then add the marshmallows on top of that hot brownie. Pop it back into the oven just to melt the marshmallows for like about 5 minutes. Once everything is cooled, pour on the ganache icing and more crushed up graham crackers. These ooey gooey s'mores bars are so good for a summer treat. I love making them because they're just so easy. So I hope you'll want to try it. Go grab all the recipes at GretchensVeganBakery.com. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.